So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Advanced R Programming for Data Analytics in Business. Week second, assignment second. Now the first question is a project has two stages: preparation 5, 6 or 7 weeks and development 2, 3 or 4 weeks. Equally likely. What is the probability of completing the project in exactly 8 weeks? So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of first question. So question first, combining two or more experiment, what is the probability that project will be completed in 8 months? 2 by 9. So the correct option of first question is B, 0.21 range 0.30. Now second question is the scores of a student in a math test range from 0 to 100. If 50 students took the test and 10 scored 80, what is the empirical probability of a student scoring 80? So now let's check the answer of second question. Question second, frequency of favorable outcome is 10, probability is 10 by 50 equal to 0.20. So the empirical probability 10 by 50 equal to 0.20. So the answer of question 2 is B, 0.15 to 0.25. Now the third question is what is the probability of drawing two yellow balls without replacement from a bag of 20 balls, 4 yellow. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of third question. Question third, so these are the calculation and calculated probability: 0.032, correct option 0.031, range 0.040. So the answer of third question is C. Now the fourth question is hospitals H1, H2 and H3 has prior probabilities of 0.6, 0.3 and 0.1 of treating a patient. Malpractice suits probabilities are 0.002, 0.005 and 0.007 respectively. If a malpractice occurs, what's the probability it was at H2? So let's check the answer of fourth question. So Bayes theorem, final probability 0.441. Correct option this. So the answer of fourth question is B, 0.41, range 0.50. Now the fifth question is in a game, the number of red balls drawn denoted by random variable followed the distribution. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of fifth question. Question fifth, this slide show the exactly same probability distribution. So expected value 2.64. So the answer of fifth question is D, 2.61, range 2.70. Now the sixth question is in a game, the number of red balls drawn denoted by random variable follows the distribution. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of sixth question. Variance. So variance similar to 0.81. So the answer of sixth question is C, 0.81, range 0.90. Now the seventh question is a pizza outlet has a mean delivery time of 12 minutes with a standard deviation of 3 minutes. What is the probability that a randomly selected delivery takes between 6 and 18 minutes? So these are the options: 15 to 16%, 16 to 17%, 70 to 80%, 80 to 90%, 90 to 100%. So let's check the answer of seventh question. Seventh question, continuous probability distribution, normal distribution. So these are the answer and solution of the our seventh question. So the answer of our seventh question is B, 80 to 90%. Now the eighth question is a pizza outlet has a mean delivery time of 12 minutes with a standard deviation of 3 minutes. What is the probability that a randomly selected delivery take between 3 and 21 minutes? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of eighth question. So question 8, continuous probability distribution, normal distribution. So these are the calculation, and the answer of our eighth question is E, 90 to 100%. Now the ninth question is a pizza outlet has a mean delivery time for of 12 minutes with a standard deviation of 3 minutes. What is the probability that a randomly selected delivery take between 9 and 18 minutes? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is continuous continuous probability distribution, normal distribution, and these are the calculation. The correct option is 70 to 80%. So the answer of ninth question is 70 to 80%. Now the 10th question is a pizza outlet has a mean delivery time of 12 minutes with a standard deviation of 3 minutes. What is the probability that a randomly selected delivery takes more than 12 minutes? So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of 10th question. So the answer of question 10th is probability 50%. Correct option is 50 to 60%. So the answer of 10th question is 50 to 60%. Now submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.